My first time making macrame. These are the things we will need for this project, and I am using 4 mm cotton macrame cord. Cut 6 cords at 18 inches. Fold the cord in half to find the center and place it over the dowel and bring it through the loop, which is creating a lark's head knot. We are going to repeat it with 6 cords. Now we're going to create double half-hitch knots towards the right. To do this, we're going to make a 4 as shown. Repeat it with all the cords until we reach the center. Then do the same on the other side using backward 4. Now with the 2 middle cords, we are again going to make a 4 towards the left, making another row of it by repeating all the previous steps that we've already done. Then brush and trim the ends. And we're done with the first one. For the second piece, cut 5 cords at 21 inches. Add the 5 cords to the dowel using lark's head knot like we did previously. Take the now 5th cord from the left and bring it over the cord to the right of it and make double half-hitch knots going towards the right as well. Repeat the same on the other side. Now we're going to weave the 4 pairs, leaving the 2 end cords. Next, make double half-hitch knots using the first cord from the left going towards the right. Repeat the same on the other side. Two middle cords make the same double half-hitch knots going towards the left or right, you choose.